going away. I don't think that I've been myself for days.
Welcome to County Road 3113 in Jacksonville, Texas. We are on the waterfront. Even though you can't really tell maybe from right here, wait till you see what's behind this house. Come check it out.
Wait, please wait with me. I'm just doing my best to count to 3. Every time I breathe, I'm just doing my best to wait with me, wait with me, wait with me. I'm still trying, so won't you wait with me, wait with me, wait with me. I know you told me to slow down. Well, I guess you were right. Can't believe I was putting up a fight. Now I promise I'll listen, and I promise to keep a hold of your words when I fall asleep. Wait.
1 bedroom downstairs, 2 living areas, super cute kitchen, a bunk room upstairs and a full bath, and these incredible views.